I might do another one after this, but some of the apps that are really cool to get out here after you get like LivePad set up, because that's a huge security thing as well as other emails and stuff, is I do a lot of recording because obviously musician. If you've seen a lot of the Rumble channel I've done and all that, Audacity is really cool, and that's a free program. You go back, and I mean they give you a lot of free stuff on here. My mouse, my trackpad's not working that great. But yeah, you can get Spotify, but you want to go down to software updater. Try to see if what else it'll show me. Gotta enter the password. But you get all these. And there's another page over here too. Let's see if I can just. It's not. Oh, come on. Let me see. I just plug in my mouse. Because the one thing that was a downfall on doing the. Okay, I guess it took that off. Okay. Oh, wait. This was already on that whole other side. So you have code, Zoom, you got Microsoft, Android Studio. Android Studio is cool because if you create apps and all that, you could create apps on here because that's what Linux is used for a lot too. And it's a total nerd OS, like I was stating prior. And like another cool thing about Linux is you can't get viruses with Linux unless it's created by another Linux user, which most Linux users don't create viruses. I'm not saying they don't, but it's a very small percentage. But you get OBS Studio, so if like you're a content creator like myself, I use OBS on my desktop. That's with the how I did the GPU setting undervolting. But so you get your GNU image manipulation. Yeah, it has Discord on here, so I'll just download Discord. See how that comes up. I'm going to enter the password again. Not going to show that. Not saying I don't trust anybody, but I don't trust anybody. But it's really super quick. I know that quick is usually when it comes to your internet and all that, but a lot of it has to do with your system as well, though, too. But yeah, if you listen to Spotify, which I don't, but there's a lot of stuff on here that there's like coding. If you do a lot of coding, that's good for you. Opera, Sublime, like I said, Audacity. So I mean, there's a lot of free programs on here. It even has like its own their version of Adobe. So if like you go on and if you're on Rumble, I recommend following the Drunk Linux user because he's talking about LibreOffice and I forget the other one, but it's for like writing manuscripts and all that. He's a follower of mine, but I just started following him and started, going back and forth. He's really good. Like he's a Linux user. I would definitely say I recommend and swear by, and I just started following him, but he's spot on perfect. But these are just some of the programs and apps that if like they're I can already see some here that people could already start following that you don't have to worry about paying for because Linux is all about free stuff, and because I would say a bunch of the Linux distros are all free, and with Ubuntu you can donate to them if you want, and all that does is make it a better OS, but they don't say you have to. But hopefully this helps you out more, and I'll try to make another video later after it gets all updated, and it'll show you more of what it does. But thanks for stopping by and giving us a try, and I'll post a little bit more later.